All right, so on the bench for a simple service today is a working vintage Hoover Decade 80. We're gonna do a belt change, inspect the brush roll, and replace the bag. Looking over this thing, overall it's in decent condition given its age. It's got paint scuffs all over it. These are easy enough to take care of. Unfortunately, the decal is a little damage on it, but it's not too bad. Got a loose handle, so we'll try and address that. Should be able to handle that right there. The cord has some wear on it. I did blow off the exterior as well as the bag as best I could. This bag is succumbing to what's typical of all vinyl bags. They all disintegrate like this as they age. It's just kind of the way things are, unfortunately. The only thing I've really done is wiped this down, as I've said, and verified that it worked. I also did take the old bag out, and I've already cleaned inside this bag as well. I don't want to remove the bag. I don't want to risk damaging it any more than it already is. So now I'm just going to undo the spring there, let this hang, and that'll give us access to the screw. Much better. Do the bottom one as well. All I'm going to do now is just lift the spring back up. Just like that. Now, thankfully, this machine does look like it's been taken care of throughout its life. So we're just going to put those back, pull the bottom plate off. Belt is actually in need of replacement, so we'll go ahead and replace it like we planned to. Pull that out. Some rubbing alcohol. So this brush roll looks like it's in really decent condition. So I've taken this apart some. And I'm just going to service these bearings. These bearings are pretty antiquated. You can get a new brush roll that's wood that doesn't have all this in it. That might be what we'll do in the future, but for now, just gonna do a light. Spins a bit better. Not perfect. Like I said, we could probably replace this brush roll, but for the purposes of this video, we'll be fine. Let's put it back in. Just like that. I'm gonna blow this off. And you have both of these two nubs. Go right up just like that. So on this Hoover Decade 80, I've got this Royal B bag, but this one fits just fine. It's the last one I've got, so I'm just going to use this one. So I just got this machine upstairs, plugged it in. Let's see how it goes. So the power switch here, it's got two settings. The first setting is the normal running. Second, which is all the way forward, puts it in the turbo mode. So that makes the motor run a little bit faster. The idea is it's supposed to have better dirt pickup for more heavily soiled areas. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on and adjust the nozzle. Turbo. Well, looks like we just broke a belt, so we are going to have to replace that roller brush, most likely. Oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.